In order to make a Blizzard Dairy Queen, you're going to need the following things: a Blizzard cup, a spoon, your choice of candy, a collar that fits your Blizzard size, an ice cream machine, and a Blizzard machine to blend it with. So, the first step, you're going to want to pick one of our Blizzard sizes. We have small, medium, and large. Today, I'm just going to make a medium Blizzard, standard Blizzard. So, the first step, you're going to want to fill it up with ice cream. Now, you got to be really careful on this part because you don't want to put too much in there at first. You just want to have it up here, get it approximately to the second line. You're going to come over here, and you see we've got all kinds of candies, toppings, anything you could want to put in a Blizzard. So, today we're going to make a Reese Cup Blizzard. So, for the small size, it gets 2 scoops, medium size, 3 scoops, and the large, it gets 4 scoops. So 1, 2, 3. Now that you have your candy in, you're going to want to put a collar on it for when you blend it. So just take one of these, make sure it fits in there, make sure it's not going to come off. Easy. You're going to want to come over to another ice cream machine. Also, since this ice cream machine hasn't been used in a second, you're going to want to make sure you test it out so it's not too sloppy. So now the ice cream's going to be solid. So you're going to want to fill it up just a little bit before the collar line. You can see about that much. This will work perfect. Now you're going to want to come to the Blizzard machine. You're going to want to make sure that you have these settings all the way up, which will be on 100. If you don't do this, your Blizzard's not going to turn out the way you want it to turn out. So you've got to get the pedal, put your right foot on the pedal, place 2 hands on it, one around the collar, and you're going to want to push it down and start blending. Now the key is to make sure the candy is all blended evenly and you don't make it too sloppy. So there's a perfect in between here. So as you're doing this, you want to make sure you're rotating the Blizzard around. You want to pull it out, push it down, just like this. So, go like that, pull it out a few times. Voila, remove the collar, and you have the perfect Blizzard. Now that your Blizzard's done, it's time to enjoy it. Really good Blizzard.